Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU automatic transmission fluid and filter change kits. This kit fits the 2014 to 2017 Sprinter 2.1 liter diesel and the 2019 Onward Sprinter 3 liter diesel models that came equipped with the 7-speed automatic transmission, also known as the 722.9 or 7G-Tronic transmission. In this kit, we include 9 liters of the Revenol M9FE synthetic transmission fluid, the transmission filter, transmission pan gasket, the transmission pan mounting hardware, the drain plug and fill plug sealing washer, the torque converter drain plug with washer, and the transmission fluid leveling fill tube. The Revenol M9FE is a premium synthetic transmission fluid made and bottled in Germany. This is not a universal or generic transmission fluid. It's specifically engineered for the Mercedes-Benz 7-speed 7G-Tronic automatic transmission used in the Sprinter models. The Revenol M9FE's high quality has been confirmed directly by Mercedes-Benz. It carries formal factory approval for the Mercedes-Benz MB 236.15 ATF quality specification. This is the only ATF specification that should be used in these transmissions. For the transmission filter, pan gasket, and related hardware, we use OEM German components that will allow for the exact same fitment and function as the genuine components. So that's a quick product overview for one of our BLAU automatic transmission fluid and filter change kits for the Sprinter models that came equipped with this 7G-Tronic 7-speed automatic transmission. If you have any other questions or for more information on our transmission fluid and filter change kits, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.